So I'm Kye Yeung, founder of European Motorcar Works. I opened it in 1975. I took an auto body community college elective course to fix my car. And for some reason, the instructor there thought that's what I wanted to do for a living and just kept, giving me these projects, which is what I wasn't there for. I was there to fix my car, but I was working on his stuff. Long story short, that was my passion. And he just really guaranteed the fact that, hey, I had a future in it. And so coming from the background of the panel beating and the metal straightening and things like that, it just came in like, hey, this is part of the tools that we have now. Now you open up your black magic box and KECO is like one of those things you pull out. So the neat thing about it is there's a lot of things that we look at now where people are concerned about their insurance going up, and a lot of deductibles are so high that in certain cases we can repair the damage under their deductibles where they don't even have to turn their claim in. And they're still happy with the repair. It's insane. So we're offering another service and a customer for life because they have estimates that, are 10 times of what it actually costs us to do the repair. And so, that in itself has been great.
I'm Micheal Giarrizzo. I'm the president of DCR Systems. Today, the vehicles are so different. Every panel on that vehicle is part of the structural integrity. With glue pull, it's really opened up so many avenues for us. And panels that maybe we thought should be replaced before, now we attempt through glue pull, and most of the time are pretty amazed.
My name is Andy Tylka, owner of TAG Auto Group. It was amazing to be introduced to KECO. I was introduced to KECO on accident because I always saw people at these conferences, but I had no clue that they were KECO employees. And what was fantastic about it was I never saw them selling the product to people. They were just there to support the industry.